One of the most important fundamental rules when backtesting a strategy is you gotta check the news first, man. Looking at the Forex news calendar, it's basically gonna let you know if there's anything crazy happening today, if there's certain things happening in the world that could cause volatility in the market, and it's even gonna say, it predicts if the impact will be low or moderate or high so that you know what to look out for. And if you don't check the Forex calendar, you could be taken by surprise by a sudden spike in volatility during your trading. And because our backtesting environment is usually a little different than our live trading environment, or we do it at different times when the market's not open, it's kind of easy to forget some of these steps that we would normally take, like checking the news. So picture this, I'm backtesting a strategy that I'm working on in Soft4fx, which is a real-time Forex simulator. When it's running, it's simulating like the real-time market environment, right? I have a few videos on it, but I pause the simulator to decide how I want to put my trades in, because I basically want to enter a trade. And then this happens. So I'm setting up my trades and just boom, right away this happens. Like, what is happening here? So like it actually hit one of my take profits and I'm like, I don't know what's happening or where the price is going. So I just closed the other one. And then if I just fast forward a little bit, like all this craziness happened within a few bars, like within a few candles. And then I asked myself, what could cause this kind of seemingly random volatility? And the answer was, it was the first Friday in my simulation. It was the first Friday of the month of that year, of that month, which is NFP, which is one of the most volatile times that you can trade Forex. And so I was trading JPY, which isn't affected as much, but if I was trading USD JPY or another USD pair, it would have impacted it a lot. But the whole idea here is that in my simulation, I wasn't expecting it at all. And it ended up working in my favor somewhat, where I was able to take partial profit and stuff. But it could have gone either way. So like it was a total fluke that I ended up in profit there. And if it happens again, I could go straight to the stop loss. So I'll just show you quickly here. This is forexfactory.com. It's one of the most popular Forex calendars out there. I like it a lot. So if you just go to forexfactory.com and you click up here on calendar, it's gonna populate a calendar for the week that you're in. And as a side note, there's other calendars here on the left. There's the metals and an energy and even a crypto calendar, which is pretty cool. But anywho, so usually when I'm trading live, I will check this in the morning before I log on and be like, okay, there's some important stuff happening for certain pairs. Should that affect my pair that I'm working on? You know, whatever, right? Like, but so you can actually go in the past. So if you click on here, you just click this way. If you click the double arrow, it'll move it down by year. And if you just click the single arrow, it'll move it down by month. And you can go all the way back to 2007. So if you're backtesting way back when, not saying that's a good idea, but whatever. But the idea is that you can go day by day for the past like 15 years. So let's say I was looking at July 1st, 2021 and July 2nd, 2021, apply settings, and then it's going to show me for that day what the news was, which is pretty sweet. But so for quite some time, I didn't realize that you could actually go so far in the past to go check that Forex news. And Soft4fx actually has like a news section in it, but I don't know, it's not as detailed as what you would find on Forex Factory. So although it's better than nothing, I would rather just use Forex Factory. And also when you're backtesting stuff, it's better to use the same tools when you can than when you're trading live. So that way you're practicing in the same kind of mindset of when you're really trading. So So that's basically it. Make sure to remember to check the news so that when you're backtesting, you're in the same environment and you're in the same mind space. And so I'm gonna link over here to some videos of me backtesting stuff on Soft4fx. So if you want more like details on that and how it works and how to take trades and stuff like that, so I'll be talking about that. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.